Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today is going to be another Tumbler video, and yeah, you see me sanding here the surface of the sublimation tumbler, and yeah, just to make sure that the resin will stick to it. I have to tell you something. To all the people that have been following me for a long time, and the new ones also, just as well as the old ones. I really appreciate you being here and watching my videos, commenting and liking. Um, I really appreciate that, and I wouldn't be here if it weren't without you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. These are the colors of glitter that I want to use. I think they fit good together, and yeah, I hope it goes as I plan it. So I have a lot of resin on top of my tumbler. Usually when you do the glitter coat, you don't really need that much. You rather have less resin on top of the surface, yeah, than too much. But I put a lot of the resin on top of there, and the reason, like I said, is I want the resin to move with the glitter. So I'm putting my glitter down just in a like stripy design, more or less, and yeah, hoping that the resin will move as it is, and taking the glitter with it. And as you can see, it's dripping. This shows how much resin I have onto the cup. So I put the tumbler back onto my machine, and I forgot the bottom, so I'm taking care of that now. And as you can see, I forgot to change the papers in between changing colors of the glitter. So yeah, what I did, I just put it in one pot, and we're going to use that later someday. So as you can see, the resin is doing something, but not that much movement as I wanted it to. So yeah, I'm taking my stick and try to like really make it move, but that didn't work either. So I decided to put some more resin on top of it. So the more resin you have, the more it moves around the cup while it spins. Touching up the edges a little bit, yeah. And here I'm putting more resin on top, just in a yeah, just a little bit on top on the spots. And as you can see, this is start to running. This is start to run. Yeah, and but it really didn't yeah, move as much as I wanted it to. So I took my little torch and heated up the resin a little bit more, just to make it move a little bit better. So once that is cured, I take my cutter knife, cleaning up the edge of the tumbler. And I'd rather do that right away than be sorry later. So, and then I took my sanding paper or sanding sponge there, and roughing up the surface so the next layer of resin has something to grip onto. When I was finished sanding, I took isopropanol alcohol and put it on top of the tumbler to clean it up. Now it's time for my stickers. I have the mermaids and shells and dolphins and stuff like that, and I will put it on there. And I'm making sure that I really press those stickers down so they won't lift when I put the resin on top of it. So as you can see here, I have my highly specialized piece of plastic that will steady my tumbler, and boy, that was expensive. Yeah, but the bubble wrap works, so I'm taking this. Yeah, and here I will really make sure that the stickers are stuck onto the cup. So, and this is how the tumbler looks now that I finished. What I did, I put 2 coats of clear varnish on there, and to make sure that nothing will lift when I put my epoxy on there, the second coat. So this will be the second coat of epoxy that I put on there, just to make sure that the stickers will be really, really secured on there. So this is what it looks like now, and I will pour another layer of epoxy on there just to make sure that it's really, really, yeah, safe. So that means sanding, and I will take special care of the rim. I'm using isopropanol alcohol again to take off the dust. So this will be the third and last layer of epoxy, and as you can see, I put some chunky glitter in there in blue, just a little bit, so it looks like air bubbles that come from the bottom up to the top. And yeah, I think this is really nice. If you like my video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Comment if you like, I would really like that too. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye!